Hello and welcome to Warrior Ways. Today we'll be going over the bow. The bow is a sign of respect, and we want to make sure that we do it correctly because we do this every day, before and at the end of class. Now when we do our bow, we're going to kneel down on our knees. We're going to sit up nice and tall. We're going to have our hands on our lap. Part of the reason for this is as practicing as samurai, if we were samurai and we needed to draw our swords, our hands are here. We can go ahead and quickly rise and also draw the sword if necessary. Now, while we're doing our bow, we want to keep in mind that we are showing respect to other people as well as to ourselves. Now, when we do our bow, in the beginning of class, we have certain words that are said. I, as the instructor, will say the word rei. This means bow. After we bow one time towards each other, the students to the instructor and the instructor to the students, then the lead student, the highest ranking student, will actually say the words sensei ni rei. Sensei ni rei means bow to the instructor. At that point in time, again, the students and the instructor will bow to each other, and at that time, we'll use some words. The words at the beginning of class are one, gaishi, mas, and this means please assist me or please help me to get better. At the end of class, we'll substitute those words, one, gaishi, mas, with domo, arigato, gozaimasu, and this means thank you very much. So at the beginning of class, the bow will look much like this. Rei. Then the senior student will say sensei ni rei, loud enough for all the other students to hear, at which point we'll all bow towards each other. One, gaishi, mas. And then we sit back up. And at this point we'll stand up, we'll go ahead and begin class. At the end of class, the bow is exactly the same with the exception of the final words. Again, it starts out with rei. The senior student says sensei ni rei. And we all say together, domo, arigato, gozaimasu. And that again means thank you very much. Remember, at the beginning of class we say onegaishimasu, students to instructor, instructor to students, for the sole purpose of getting better. The students will help the instructor get better as an instructor, and the instructor will issue forth his knowledge to the students so that they get better as well. At the end, we thank each other for the time that we've devoted to each other to get better. Thank you for taking the time to learn how to bow correctly.